Well. We're back at it again. Time to write some code. But first,
Come back, give it.
give me a second here. All right. And now and now we are ready to start writing code. All right. If you guys don't know yet, this is my own little custom new tab window, and well, there are all sorts of different kinds of shader toys that I am utilizing. Here's one with a dolphin. Isn't that nice? These are just links to websites I frequent. There you go. There's a trippy one for you. But yeah, every time I open a new tab, it looks something like this. It's inspirational because I'm constantly opening new tabs and I don't want to see anything less than this. Like, I want to see some really cool 3D rendered, beautiful art. All right, where are we going? Well, we're going to our website, our collector website. And so the last thing that I worked on earlier today was I updated the download system. So when we go to downloads, it's the download system and the article system. Let me just open this window that I had open earlier. Yeah, this has my can-do board for collector. Here's a article search I'm doing. This shows the newest articles. And then this is an article I'm analyzing. Now, this article was interesting. This is a test I did. It was a different URL completely. And when I clicked analyze, it told me that it changed the URL from the previous URL to this URL. So it basically understood the redirection path. And let's see. Yeah, here it is, download. So this is what I did. I had this loop, right? I did some interesting things. I forced it to try HTTPS first. And if it couldn't do that, then we're in our loop. And this loop is going to try to hit the same URL over and over and over again. But at the same time, it might redirect. So it changes the URL to a different URL, right? if there's an error, it sets the response to that error. And then the error response will have a status of 301 or 302 or 303. And that'll give us the redirect URL. So we keep the request method at head. We set the status to 0, right? Because it used to be 301. And then it'll just get to the end of the while loop, come back, see that status is 0, try again. If it redirects again, it'll just keep redirecting until it finds the final page. Once it finds the final page, we set the URL to the new URL, and then we download from Charlotte, right? Charlotte is my Windows service. Ooh, connection dropped. Anyway, Charlotte is my Windows service that has a Chromium web browser built into it, an invisible Chromium window that is what collects articles and generates a JSON object based on the HTML, the compiled HTML structure and computed CSS style for each element in the HTML structure. Anyway, so basically I have support for redirecting now. And then what else? On the download hub, if it does redirect, right, then it updates the URL for the download in the database and makes sure there's no duplicate records for that URL. For the article, it's a little more complicated, right? I did change the way it works. Like, if there's an article, if it already exists, then we will either get the cache or we'll no, if it doesn't exist yet, sorry, if it does exist, then we open the cached file, or we create a new directory, and then we set download to, well, download is true by default, so we don't do anything if the file doesn't exist. Then we download the file, right? We download it. We check if the new URL is different from the original URL based on the download. This function is where we will catch all the different redirects and it outputs a new URL. So if it changes, then and the article already exists, then we update the URL for that article. If it doesn't already exist, well, we try to see if it exists in the database at that point based on the new URL. And if it does, then we set the file name and yeah, we output some information. And if the article still doesn't exist, that's when we create a new article record in the database with the new URL. Then we update our file path because the URL could have changed domain names, so we have to change the path where we're going to save the article JSON file. And then, yep, we read our article. And let's see. Where is it? It's somewhere around here. Anyway, and then, yeah, we do all this other stuff. But basically, that's what I did today, was allowing redirects to happen on an existing download or an existing article, and then updating the URL for that download or article based on the redirects. Complicated stuff. So now what am I gonna do tonight? I really want to make domains like this. It has to be cleaner than this, and I think I want to separate them. Like, I don't want it to just be domains. I want it to be sorted, different accordions for different categories, right? But that's complicated too, so I'm just gonna actually make it to where if you select like a subject, that it'll show you all of those websites, those domains that are a part of that subject. So let's look at our schema real quick. So we have article subjects, right? But we don't have domain subjects. So I think we'll do that. We will. Let me think about it. How do I want to do this? Because like I could make it to where like kind of like under advanced, where you can just get title or remove whitelist, blacklist. But I want something that's like get subjects from articles. So you click on it, like get subjects, and like how I have get title here. Oh, I need to clean that up too. I need to separate like the dangerous stuff that you don't want to click from the normal stuff on that advanced tab. So let's go into our advanced.html here and create an HR, and we'll even create one there too. And this HR, we're gonna do pad top LG. Let's see what happens. Ooh. How about margin top LG? That's better. Yeah, it's separating all this stuff from that. All right, so domain title. Subjects. get subjects. Then, where is it? It's a service, domain service, advanced. Oh my God. That's going to be a little complicated. So I'm going to do that later. But for now, I'm thinking like, well, I mean, I guess I just have to do the work, right? What I did was I created a new button here, right? Get subjects. And you click this button after you have enough articles on the on this domain that those articles have a set of words assigned to each article that belong to subjects, right? So these articles contain words and phrases that are linked to specific subjects. So then when I click get subjects here, it finds all the common subjects that my articles belong to, and it adds those subjects to the domain. So then I could choose a subject here, right? Astronomy. Click search, and it shows me all domains that cover astronomy. Or I could find domains that talk about Nintendo, like video game websites. So there's a lot of work to be done to collect content, but I'm really making progress. So I think I want these to be lower, and I think I want to, yeah, I'm gonna add a get description field to this. And what I'll do is I'll find like hold on, let me actually look at the database to see if there are already descriptions. Is it summary? Yeah, it's summary. All right. Oh, why are there duplicates of my... Oh, I get it. I'm sorry. Wrong table. Domains. And it is description for domains. Yeah, see, there are no descriptions for domains. So, I'm gonna just create a button real quick. Get description for, what is it? Domain. I'm gonna change the album to this one. All right, let's see. There it is. Get description. Found new description. Description. Ooh, no. Where is it? Where is it? Description. Description P. Looks good to me. Yeah, I'm gonna actually return just ... So, okay, advanced, here we go. I'm just gonna copy that over, get description. Oh, that's not what I want to do. Actually, you know what? That is what I want to do. Okay. Find domain title? It is find domain title. Well, then I'll do find description. All right, find description. Let's see. So the most logical thing to do for this stored procedure to find the description is to find the URL for that domain that is the shortest URL, which would typically be the home page. And then we'll get the description from that. Description. What? Alright, no, we're gonna go with summary for that. And in fact, what we're gonna do is this. Description equals select summary up top one summary from articles where domain ID is domain ID, order by URL, len URL, ascending. Will this work, or will it give me an error? Domain title. Uh-oh. Hold on. What is this? What is it, 255? Boy. There. Let's see. I guess it should work. I just need to update my gulp task here. Oh, come on. There we go. And it should work now. So let's get description. Oh, I gotta Control 5 that. Science. Let's get description. Found new description. Blank. All right. Well, how about this? What is our ID? Wasn't that just great? So we got to do this. Domain dot details. Boom. 1537. Huh. All right. Are there any summaries? No Oh. Here we go. Yao Hua La is a science journalist in Kuala Lumpur. All right, let's do that. And also that. Huh. Really? All right, let's see what we got here. What's our URL? Yeah, you can see how, like, it didn't even download the homepage yet, so don't know what to tell ya. Huh. There we go. That description's too long. And our JavaScript should probably just say found new description. And this should probably say found new title. Found new domain title. There we go. And reload. Clickety click. Get title. Found new domain title. Get description. Found new domain description. All right. What about this one? Okay, that's what I thought. How about this? Get description should download let me think about this. I should find all URLs in the queue that don't have any path. Yeah. Okay. Watch this. Where's my query? I'm gonna select star from download queue where URL or len URL. Oh, I need to join domains. Let's see, https:// and another slash, so that would be 9. Let's see what we get. Look at that URL. Those are all. Oh, what is that? Oh my God, that's so bad. All of those are bad. Those aren't even real URLs. Oh my God, are you kidding me? Wow. Huh. All right, this is what I'm going to do. I'm going to find TSQL, validate URL. What? Oh, it's going to try to connect to the URL. Huh. SPOA create. Server XML HTTP. I'll manually add that. Oops, that's the wrong button. There. And q.url and what? tbo.validate URL. Q.url. What is valid gonna be? 1 or 0? Equals 0. If I press this, bad things are gonna happen. Oh, it's part of the security. Well, then I want to validate by just use regular expression for validating a URL. All right. SQL regex. Sorry, TSQL regex. All right, let's see here. Oh no. Oh, well, I can do that. And let's see. Oh, QID. Here we go. This is what we're gonna do. So this is our subquery, and q.url like http the Is there anything else I can use? Come on. So period Yeah. Wait a minute. No, it's colon / dot. All right, okay, so now we're gonna select star from download queue. We're gonna join domains. And let's see, q.qid not in that query. Yeah. All right. Oh. What? What is all of that? Oh my god, it's just a bunch of nonsense. Oh my god, I don't I don't have URL validation. Look at that. HTTP :/ our favorite banana may be doomed. Like, what is all this crap? 1,728 rows. All right, so I'm just gonna do delete from that. I think it's delete from queue. Select. No, it's delete from download queue. Where QID in select q.qid from Q. There we go. So we're selecting the IDs that aren't in this subquery of correctly named URLs. So we're gonna select the opposite. And we're just gonna delete all of these. 1,728. Here we go. Everything looks good. Boom. Yep, 1,728 rows affected. All right, so I'm going to save this as a utility. hold on. A utility store procedure, not store procedure, but script. So this would be delete broken download or validate URLs. Validate downloads.sql. I'll just write some script here. Delete all downloads that do not have a valid URL. What about from articles? Yeah, see? They here, if I do this, it'll select what? Oh, that should say Q2, and that should say Q2. What? Hold on, what the hell? Oh, yeah. So there's only two. Oh, shit. I know what's going on here. It's trying to get just the domain. Alright. We'll save that and we'll use this to I know what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna add this to my download queue so it always downloads the root domain first for all web pages. So let's go and do our download check, queue check, download queue check. So select top one, blah, blah, blah. First, what we're gonna do is we're gonna declare home ID as an int to 0, and then we'll select yeah. +9. So let's see here. Top one home ID equals, and I think I have to join domains and join whitelists. I have to do with table lock on both. Okay. Ah, that's a good point. It should be ordered by the length of the URL as well. So I'm not even going to do this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to do sort by 2 would equal, let's see, newest, oldest, and shortest URLs. Let's see. Okay, so in sort equals 2, then q dot URL length ascending. Gotta put a comma. I forgot my comma. I don't even need an ascending there, so and if sort is 2, then let's do instead of shortest, let's do domain level. Yeah. And sort equals 2. And let's see, q dot URL is less than or equal to d dot domain plus 9, or sort does not equal 2. There. Right, now in our, let's see, that's going to be for the download page, which I think has, let's see here, it has a header. There it is. And this header has a drop down. Let's see, home pages only. All right, let's see if that works. But checking 5 feeds, okay. Ooh, that's not looking good. What is that? What? Okay, you see it's downloading home pages right now. Is it able to download, or is it just gonna stay here? Looks like NIH.gov is down. What the f... That's not a real domain. Alright, I gotta fix this. And I gotta do validation. So, okay. Let's see if we can find stuff like that. Okay. These are all legitimate domains. What is it doing? It's just sitting here? There we go. Wired.com, space.com, w3text.com. Phys.org. Alright, so if I okay, phys.org. Alright, let's see if we can get the description. Nope. Title. How about we what is the domain ID for phys.org? Five 487. Let's see what we have here. That's it. That's a bit strange. Let me think about this. Getting next URL in queue. Yeah, look, phys.org. One article, okay. Huh. Oh, well, that makes sense. We have a title, but no summary. That could be an issue. Where am I getting my summary from? Let's just stop this real quick. Let's see. That'll be in our download hub here. And then we download the result. We get the article. And then we merge. Get all the URLs. But where are we getting title and description? Hold on. Let's do this. Article merge. Get article info from DOM. Okay, we got a title. Meta description. So is there just no meta for description? Let's find out. There's description right there. And it's with a capital D. Okay, I see what's going on. There, capital D. Got too lower. Yeah, I'm not going to do that. There, we're just gonna use dot to lower. Whatever. Seems like every day I find issues with the engine, and it's because the internet is just so dynamic. You know, you find issues all over the internet. People don't know how to, you know, make a standard, adhere to the standard, write good web pages. All right, let's see if this works. Oh, I need to do home pages only. Here we go. after 10 seconds. That's weird. I'm not gonna wait 10 seconds. Are there just no more articles to get? I know what I'll do. I want this one. And I'm not gonna use that. Or that. There we go. I'm gonna select top star from, oops, wrong code. Select downloads. Let's see, what do we have here? Alright, yep. And we have, what else do we have? Where's fizz.org? I don't see fizz.org anywhere. Huh. Let's see. Order by q.url. Sending. This song's really weird. So I'm gonna change it to I don't know, Jungle Lista. How about this one? Can't play that music, but I can play this music. There we go. Let's see. Where's fizz.org? 3,500 domains. PH, elemental, PQRS, PH, fizz.org. Status is 1. Hold on. Update, download, update, queue, select, update downloads. Set status equals 1. Where QID in, select QID from download Q. And we don't need an order by. Status equals 0. 3,000. Okay, now refresh, choose home page only, download from feeds, go. Let's go fizz.org, DOI.bleh. It's not a URL. OIG dot bleh. That's not a domain. Shit. Okay, I know what I'm gonna do. I am going to validate the domains. So, okay, this is for download rules, download rules, download rules. What is that? Rule match? Okay. Actually. Huh. It's not being used. Whatever. This goes under download rules. Region. Delete all our Alright, then we need a public static void. Oh, bool. Validate URL. That's a really bad one. And I think this will do it. So, alright. So using system.text.regular expressions? Come on. Value, no, it's URL. Alright. If is valid equals true. Let's see. Return URL dot index of equals 0 or HTTPS. So that's all I really care about. Is it a valid URL and is it going to be HTTP and or HTTPS? So validate URL. Now for domain download hub, first thing we're going to do is validate the URL. If q dot URL, oh, if domain dot validate, come on, dot validate URL. Bloop. Then we delete the download. I guess I can't delete a download. Let's see. SQL downloads. Oh, download, delete. All right. Where is it? Download, delete. You kidding me? QID. All right. Execute on query. Download. Delete. New QID. There we go. Oh, we're not returning anything. Q.QID. And we're gonna return. Oh, this is actually supposed to be a long. No. Big int. Okay. So we're gonna delete it and invalid URL. Cool. And then we can check our links, clean the URL, validate the URL, and then we do domains dot validate URL. Also, we need to do this with our feeds. So if we're reading, here we go. And also, where is it? Okay, so if, that's for the, here we go for the RSS. Boom. Save that. Looks good. Okay, how about Article Hub? URL. Right. First, validate URL. If domains dot validate URL. Oops. Oh, okay, good. Let's just double check here. Yep. Yep. And yep. All right. All right. So if it's not a valid URL, then there we go. we're just gonna return in URL is invalid. There we go. URL is invalid. Well then, let's see how fast we can fly through these domains. And we're gonna have to break here because, well, this literally deletes the download and I don't want to delete the download. So I'm gonna refresh on pages only. Let's see what's up. Okay, that's a valid download. Okay, you know what? Screw that page. Let's try again. What? Hold on. What the hell is going on here? That's clearly not a valid URL. So let's see what happens. What? How can that be true? Alright, you know what? I'm gonna find a better regex. I think that's it right there. And I'm actually going to look at this. I'm going to paste that just like that. Ooh. No. String pattern. Alright, there's my string pattern. What did I, how did I do that before? Oh, yeah. There we go. Let's just bring that back up. Valid. Oh my god. Oh. What is this? System. So I can just do like URI dot is well formatted. No way. Are you kidding me? URL kind. It's always going to be absolute. True? Are you kidding me? Alright, you know what I'm going to do? I'm going to remove www. Place. There. How about that? Is that well formatted now? still, what the fuck? Are you kidding me? What does this look like to you? Oh my god, are you kidding me? Let's try that one. I know this isn't gonna be the best one, but it's better than nothing. Oops, delete that. Is valid as false. Let's see, colon. www dot. Com. Huh. What is W dash? I don't know. Let's see what this does. False. Alright, well, what if we set this to, hold on, we don't even need that. What is that even there for? Alright, let's see. Let's do some tests. Okay. So let's do, google.com with, oops. True. Okay. About true. Okay, how about if I just do google.com? False? Shouldn't this also be like a question? Oops. False. Let's see. Yeah. I mean, that looks good, right? Let's see if we can use that. What? What did I... Oh my god. What did I do? Oh my god, they're using like the worst. Alright, you know what I'm gonna have to do? I'm gonna have to copy this, one part at a time. False. Well, okay. Good to know that it's false. Let's experiment, shall we? Let's do google.com. False. Let's do https://google.com. False. What? What? How is that false? What if I just get rid of that? Also false. Okay. Does there have to be like a slash? Well, that's broken. It must contain www. Oh, that's so bad. How about that's too complicated. I mean, I could just create my own function that checks for certain things, like, I don't know. Let's figure it out. If is valid. Let's do this, return true. We're just going to replace those two with nothing. And then we're going to check. Let's see. First, we're going to yep. And then if parts dot length greater than 0, okay. Periods with parts dot length greater than or equal to 2, then return true. So I don't care about anything else. Okay. Let's go. Oh, man. That... Nope. Wait, what? Oh. There we go. What is URL? www.at. Okay. So then, let's also do it like a dot replace www with nada. What is it now? Oops. Let's start over. At W. This will. Yep. Equal false. Because it's not a real URL. What's the next one? Yep. Not a real URL. What's that one? Oh, not a real URL. Definitely not a real URL. Either is that one. Or that one. Or that one. That one. Forums dot. Hold on. I forgot. There. Ooh, fizz.org. What is this one? That's not a URL. That's not a URL. See, it's so much easier when I just handwrite it myself. That's not a URL. That's not a URL. You know what? I'm just gonna do this. Doom, doom. That's a URL. That isn't, but that is. That is. That is too. That isn't, that isn't, that isn't. Awesome. That's so cool. We're cleaning up the database. It's definitely a URL. I think what I want to do is, if I download the URL, it'll eventually have to merge, right? And it'll get the summary from that, which means if article info dot URL dot length is less than or equal to article info, no, q dot domain dot length plus 9 http :/ and another slash. That would be a http s : / yeah, 9. Let's see. Actually, you know what? Dot substring. We're gonna start at q dot domain. Oh, sorry. Article info dot URL dot index of. Plus q dot domain dot length plus 1. There. Found homepage. Let's see. Since it's the home page, we can update the domain. So query dot, let's see, domains dot What? Hold on. Oh. I guess I have to add a new SQL store procedure. Oh. Yeah. Description. It's right there. Why can't I just use that? Come on. Just give it to me. That looks straightforward. All right. Now that we have our store procedure, let's update our query here. We're gonna just make that make that void. Update description. String description. And then in our, where is this? And then here we're gonna update description for q dot domain ID and article info dot summary. There we go. Awesome. It's a nice little feature. While it's downloading, if it finds home pages, it'll oops. There is no return, and there's no scholar. It's a non-query. Let's see if it hits it. Phys.org. Hey, it found it. All right, what's the summary? What? Hold on. Okay. Did it find the title? Text is null. First, okay. Okay, that's correct. Uh-huh. Description first or default. Null. Okay, hold on. Let's do a quick watch. And do a .to list here and see what it looks like. Okay. How about let's get rid of that for now. All right, let's see what these look like. All right. Content type. Robots. Wait, let me see what 3 was. 3 is also robots. 5 is Apple iTunes app. Okay. 6 is Google Play app. 7 is prop Twitter account ID. 8 FB app ID. 9 proper FB pages. 10 is OG colon title. OG colon image. OG type. And finally, the very last one is fucking nothing. What? Hold on. Fizz.org. You're telling me Fizz.org doesn't have a description? There's OG description right there. Image description. Alright, let's look for... That's image, so 10 should be... No, 10 is title. OG... Oh, there's a semicolon. I think in Charlotte I actually do something about that, maybe? Why does it... Okay, I'm gonna open up Charlotte and look at the codes. Look at the codes. It's all in JavaScript too. So let's look for... Alright, so if it's meta... Description... Oh, well, if the length is more than 64, 30, 40, 50. Yeah, it's way more than 64. All right, how about if it's more than 250? Okay. What's the description in SQL? Let's just stop that. Let's look at our SQL here for domains. Description's 255. All right. This is what we're gonna do. We're gonna build. Could not copy. Oh, that's because it's running already. So where's Charlotte? We see CH. No? What? I know it was called something Charlotte. Hold on. Let's start at the top. Let's go to details here. Let's see, there it is. And now I can build. There we go. In fact, I'll just press play here. So we can press play there. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna see if we can get our phys.org summary. Cause this is some bullshit. 10 seconds. Alright, I think I have something here that I can run. Oops. Oh yeah, we don't need that. Let's see here. We definitely don't need that either. Delete from download queue. Yeah, see all these? Oh my god, what the hell is that? Let's see. Q.id. So, okay. Delete from downloads where ID in okay. And insert into download queue. Let's see, Q dot feed ID, Q dot main ID, Q dot status, Q dot tries, Q dot URL, Q dot path, Q dot date created. All right. I'm going to execute that, and then I'm going to delete that. Okay. Now this should work. What's going on here? There's like a bazillion. That's what I want to do now. Update those. Did it work? 3,493. Okay, let's refresh. Let's. Yep, there we go. It's gonna delete all these fake websites. That's a real website, I think. I don't know. Maybe not. Oh, somebody watched me for like 2 minutes. Wow. Oh, I got a like. Nice. Oh, I found a summary. Yes. There it is, and that's the kind of description I want too. All right, let's see if there's another one. It's not changing, so I'm gonna just reload. Home pages only. Download. Come on, give me a summary. Give me a summary. NASA? Yep. Close.org. Come on. Give me a summary. Give it to me. There it is. Ah, no summary. Well, what's the, what? Hold on. There it is. Okay. I'm pretty sure, yeah, we found the article. Let's check out this quick watch here. See what that looks like. 17, let's start from the bottom, work our way up. Theme color. Okay. Generator. Twitter. Twitter card. Article, modified date. Site name. URL, OG URL. There we go. OG : description. So it'll be content property. This is going to get complicated right now. Here we go. Oops. Property. OG description. There we go. Let's see what that looks like. Boop. Oh look, we got a description. What's the attribute content? Okay. Summary. Boom. And that's how you fix stuff. Alright, we're gonna have to reload. Try again. Why does it keep downloading these? I don't understand. Wired. Show me that wired summary. Oh, there it is. Another phys.org? I don't believe this bullshit, bro. Whatever. Space.com? Okay. Yep. Getting next URL in the queue. Why is it downloading phys.org again? Like, I don't understand. Like, I need to know what the hell is happening. Okay, so article ID already exists. Right, shouldn't we be moving the download? Hold on. Article.add. I get it. Yeah, it's not moving. Okay. Alright. If it doesn't add the article, then it has to move the download. Let's just copy that, paste it there, rename it. Oh, I can't rename. Gotta stop. Download, move, or download queue, move. QID equals QID. There we go. What? Oh, it's the exact same. The only difference is, okay, whatever. Download queue move. That's going to be under downloads. And then we're going to move. Download queue move. There we go. All right, now we need to move the article. I mean, move the download. So, query.downloads.move. Query q.qid. There we go. Archive download. There we go. Cool. All right. Let's see if this will work now. Once it gets these home pages, it shouldn't be doing it over and over and over again. So delete, 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 delete. Oh, that one, nature.com. Fake, fake, fake. Ah, there we go. Botany 1. Tumblr.com. Yep, w3text.co. Now that I'm successfully getting the summaries from all these web pages, I am going to, let's see here. I'm going to update my domains HTML component to show a summary. There's my summary there. All right, and now let's see. We need to render list. Let's see if it gets our summary. Oh, that should go under title. Summary equals domain dot description. There we go. And let's look at our domains, shall we? Oh my God, I broke everything. I think I'm gonna force this P here. Domain dash item. Yeah, we're gonna do P dot summary. The height will be, I don't know, 40 pixels. Text overflow will be clips. Overflow hidden. And white space is wrap. No, it's just wrap. Oh my God, really? Really? Is there no wrap? How about just normal? Oh, I gotta update my vendor less gulp task here, and then please work, please. I think I had the selector in the wrong hierarchy. There we go. That's what I'm looking for. In fact, let's make it a little bigger. Oh my. I know what I'll do. I don't know. 200? Let's do like 150. I love hot reload. Look at that. It's so fast. Let's see if we can fix that. 150? How about... about 120? What? $100 maybe? There we go. 100. 100 looks good to me. Very nice. Very, very nice. And I think the coloring is backwards. What is going on here? Alright. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna set up my H4 to have I know what I'll do. I'll make the summary opacity 0.5. There we go. Let's do 0.7. Much better. But then we also need margin top to be like 5 pixels. And we need, I don't know what else we need, but we definitely need it. Oh, is it time to play Hunt already? Okay, so we have descriptions. I don't need a description here. I've come to realize. What I do need is the description where it belongs. Because see, I want to see this clean list and I want to be like, oh, what's CBC? No description. What's Atlas Obscura? No description. What's science.org? Oh, okay. DOI? Oh. Don't know what that means. Phys.org? Daily science news on research developments, technological breakthroughs, and the latest scientific innovations. Alright, so that means I need to actually delete from the advanced page. I need to delete the ability to create a description. So I'm just going to hide it. There. Alright. Why is this happening to me? Is whitelisted larger for some reason? $21.8, 26.75. I know what I need to do. Info needs to have a height of 36 pixels. That'll fix that. There we go. Clean. So clean. Alright. So if I click on one of these, no description. Alright. That one has a description. Lovely. Lovely. I could do like unlisted. I could do unprocessed. There's a lot of them. And that's what I need to do. I need to get into the habit of checking out new domains and either approving them or blacklisting them or like prepping them to be consumed. And I also need to like view like newest. What are the newest domains? Okay. Do I not have the internet? What is going on here? Why are there broken things? Okay, that looks broken. So then I could click on this and mark it as empty, like an empty website. Okay, so fuck it, let's do that. Let's add to our schema for domains. Free. Let's call it like unused, and what else? Ooh, I have an idea. We'll use type. Yes. What's the type of domain? Well, 0 equals unused. 1 equals website. 2 equals e-commerce. 3 equals wiki. 4 equals blog. 5 equals videos. 6 equals actually I'm gonna make 5 equal science journal. 6 equals SAS. 7 equals social network. Ugh. 8 equals advertiser. 9. There's so many. Wait, what is this type? That's not type. Hold on. Let's do search type. Let's rename this to search type. There we go. Continue editing. In fact, let's just stop. And then let's create a new type. Oh, excuse me. But our new type will be under query and domains. Right? No. Query, model, domain. So then public enum domain type unused 0 website equals 1 commerce is 2 wiki is 3 blog is 4 science journal equals 5 6 SAS equals 6. What is 7? Social network. Equals 7, and then advertiser equals 8. 9 equals, I don't know, search engine. What else? There are a lot of different kinds of websites. Let's call, how about portfolio. We'll just leave it at that for now. And actually, where's our model for domain? Public domain type. I hope that works. I'm pretty sure it'll work. And now we need update type. Update domain type. Model is that domain type. Type equals int type. Alright, now I gotta go into the database and create that column manually. Give me a second here. And it comes right after free. We're going to call this type. It's an int. Default value is going to be -1, so that we know it hasn't been set yet. Then in our modal, we'll have row input. And we'll have our select ID equals, what will it equal? Domain type. And our options will be, let's see, not set. Unused. closed. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Website. E-commerce. Wiki. Blog. Science journal. Software as a service. Social network. Advertiser. Search engine. And portfolio. Should this be in alphabetic order? I don't think it matters. Right, domain type. Now for our domain.js. Yeah, so this is actually going to be on input s.domain.info.update type. Is there info? There is. Update type is a function. Come on. Here's our data. Type is gonna be domain type dot value. And then where is it? Under our services, we need update type. Update domain type. Domain ID and int type. Update domain type with query.model. Oh, come on. Domain type. There we go. Looks good to me. Let's render our JavaScript. Update type. Let's see what it does. Oh, it's not playing. Oops. Haha. It's almost midnight. I know it's Friday night, but still, like, I'm a little tired. And I need to get up and stretch. I've been coding for almost 3 hours. What's going on here? I thought I pressed play. Come on. There we go. Alright, so... Ooh. Before I do anything, I think I'm going to include a thing. There we go. An HR. go. Let's make this a, It's a news site, so in fact, we're gonna want 11 to be news. And where? There it is. Come on. So this is actually a news site, and let's see here. Ooh, yeah. Interesting. We're gonna have to set the type. So data value equals type or domain type. There we go. And then details for a domain. Info dot type let's just make it an int dot toString. So complicated. And then on the JavaScript side, I have to select the correct option based on data values. So when we get info, no, when we show, then when we show our domains, then select correct domain type. So let's see, pop up show domain type dot domain type 0 dot selected. Oh. Yeah. Option value equals dot attribute selected is selected. Okay, hope that works. Gotta regenerate the JavaScript file. Here we go. Not set. All right, let's just see if there's a data value here. Data value is -1. So let's go to our network. See if this will actually set it to a news site. Could not find store procedure, domain, update type. All right, where's our SQL? Domain. update type. I do not have it. That's the one thing I forgot to do. Yeah. All right, let's try that again. My framework, like working with the DataSilk MVC framework and working with Sabre and working with this entire infrastructure I built, this software architecture I built, it's so easy to build new things. It's so easy. All right, let's set this to news, and that looks good. It's 11. Let's oh, there it is. Watch. See, this is not set, but if we click here, it's news. Yes. All right, and now I think I'm going to include another thing here. I'll put it maybe I'll put it right below the link. I don't know. Oh, I'm getting tired. But let's update this real quick. So let's just put it after articles. Span domain type. Domain type is just going to be domain type. So this will be has domain type. And then under, where is it? No, it'll be under common and then domains. There it is. So I think. No, it'll be under services domains, and it'll be details domain dash type equals what? Oh, not details. I'm looking for the list. So yeah, that'll be under domain render list. Okay. So, all right. Then, item dot show has a domain type. All right, and then item domain type equals yeah, var, hold on, var domain type equals there, switch int, oh wait, no, domain dot type case, let's go with unused, domain type equals unused. Break. All right. Let's put this over here as reference, and let's do all the things. Okay, website. E-commerce. Ooh. I think I'm gonna go with lowercase. Wiki. Blog. Science journal. Advertiser. Search engine. Portfolio. News. And there it is. Cool. Refresh. News. And then domains. We're going to color our domains. And, we're going to go with dot domain type. Color for domain type should be, I don't know, pinkish. There. Whatever. Let's just generate that CSS file. Refresh the page. Nothing? Huh. How about let's make it important and change the color to something brighter? Yeah, there we go. I like that color. Importante. Regenerate our les file, CSS file, refresh. All right, which one is this? Travel. Oh, it's a travel site. All right, well, let's turn this into travel. Travel is 12. is it? We're gonna need travel right here. There we go. Boom. Refresh. Ooh, travel. And I can put different icons there based on the actual domain type. But at least I know phys.org is about science. Just a website. No big deal. It's just a website. Aggregator. Aggregator is another one. Where is it? Okay, aggregators 13. What? There. Rebuild. Let's go to our model. 13 is aggregator. The aggregator. Okay. Looks good. I think this is just an aggregation website. Don't know. How about YCOM? Look at that. I just fixed Y Combinator in like 2 seconds. Click, 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 done. All right. What is this website? Okay. I think it's like a science journal. I don't know. Definitely includes free content. Oh, it's a government website. Oh, there we go. Government 14. Uh-huh. There we go. It's a government website. Nature. Subscribe. Okay, so this requires subscription, and it's a news website, right? It's a news website, right? Oh, it's a science journal. What does open access mean? Oh, this is definitely a science journal. And it does include free content, so paywall, free, and yep, science journal. I think I'm gonna put it on the title, like over here. Yeah, I'm gonna do that. All right, let's get our list item here. Grab this. Let's call this a column. Let's put it in a row. Then let's put this on the right. That looks good. Much better. Doom. Government website. News website. Website. What is phys.org? It's a DOI. Oh my god. That's what DOI is. This is a science journal. This is also a science journal. What's ACS? See, this is what we're doing. We're cataloging, categorizing. Next thing you know, I'm going to allow domains to have a subject attached to them. Whatever subject you want. But for now, we're just trying to see what these are. Science articles. Boom. Alright, so this ACS is a science journal. I'm pretty sure you can join. Oh, membership. What are the benefits? Job board for chemists. Proprietary salary information, discounts and tools for workshops, training resources, training courses, webinars, research and journals. Oh, okay, so yeah, we can say there's a paywall for that. New Scientist, let me guess. It's a science journal, isn't it? Oh, paywall, 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 paywall. And it's not even that, it's like a news site. Hey, watch. Can particles really do things? No. Watch this. Wow. Yeah, it's a news site. IFL Science? Let's see what that is. When did this happen? Today. Yesterday. Huh. I think this is a news site. Does it require a subscription? Nope. News. Oh, look at all this. Science journal, science journal, science journal, science journal, science journal, science journal, science. Boo doo boo doo boo. What is this one? cbc.ca. Okay. What the fuck? Died in his sleep. Definitely a news site. And there's millions of websites that I have to categorize and shit. Millions. Hopefully before I get to that point, I will have built a machine learning system that will auto categorize and auto do all this stuff for me based on what I've already put into the system, right? It'll find patterns and it'll do it all for me. Anyway, I am going to check out. I am tired. I gotta check my code in first. Let's see. Boom. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. There's one of you, and you watched for 2 minutes, and you even liked my video, which thank you very much. Anyway, I'm just gonna go to sleep now. I'm freaking exhausted. There's a lot of work to be done, but I am going to replace Google. Peace out, Google.